What's up, guys? How you doing today? It's your boy Colin Osborne. In this video, we're going to be talking about the history of digital marketing, starting from the very beginning. So, strap your seatbelts up. We're about to get started. But before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Trying to really grow this channel and spread a lot of love this year when it comes to digital marketing. I know there's a lot of business owners looking forward to automating their business, especially with ChatGPT, those different types of automations. And I want to be the person to help you get those different things situated for your business. So once again, like, comment, subscribe, and we're about to get started. Let's hop into the computer. All right, what's up, y'all? Hopefully, you guys are staying tuned. Definitely excited to show you the history of digital marketing. I got a couple slides here that I think will help explain an overall view. That is really what I'm going to get to it. Anyways, history of digital marketing from the 90s to now, a timeline of how digital marketing. So, birth of the internet and early digital ads. Okay, so you had the World Wide Web in 1991, which was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. In 1994, you had the first banner ad appear in AT&T's "You Will" campaign on Hotwire.com, which I think is pretty sick. And then you had in 1996 the first search engine marketing campaigns begin. So Google SEO, and then 1998 Google's trying to paving the way for SEO and search ads. So you kind of had like 2 years, and then Google was like, we're going to capitalize off of this. So then the rise and search of email marketing would then kind of explode. So we had Google launches AdWords shifting to digital advertising in 2000. And then Can Spam Act was passed to regulate email marketing because you had all these pop-ups and all that sort of stuff like that. And different, I think it was a Trojan horse virus and stuff like that. That was just atrocious and a terrible time for really anyone, because you just didn't really know what you're clicking on, and you had viruses all up and down your computer. I remember back in the day we had dial-up, and you would hear this like screeching noise to connect to it, and then if anyone called, it would just mess up the connection, and it was just not a great process. And here we are now, where I'm able to screen share video from Wi-Fi with nothing wired. It's crazy where times have been. So comparison will take you a long way. So social media and the mobile revolution. Instagram launches, opening doors for influencer marketing in 2010. And then in 2012, Facebook acquires Instagram and social media ads explode. You had all that traffic coming in, and they profited. They felt, oh, well, and we have all of these people on it. They're utilizing it every day. Let's now generate it by having companies come on and advertise to people and use it almost as a beacon for a new ad source rather than a newspaper's. It's pretty cool when you think about it. So then you had mobile searches in 2015 surpassed desktop, making mobile marketing essential. And in 2016, Facebook Live and Instagram stories pushed video marketing to the forefront. Pretty cool, man. And I remember when Reels and all that stuff came out, and you were just, it was a very creative time, because you were just seeing new, different features being added to it in different parts of the world you were able to be exposed to. I mean, I've been able to capture on the ground of what it's like to be, in different countries, and it's pretty awesome. Now moving on to the 2020s, COVID and everything, the pandemic definitely shifted the way, we worked at home, and, the remote life and remote work. And I think was an essential time for us, because we as a human race found a way to communicate with each other regardless of the situation. In 2020, though, the pandemic accelerates e-commerce and digital marketing investments. Amazon grew 10x. AI-powered chatbots, automation, and personalized dominate. And then the rise of short form content, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. I mean, that blew up, and that's really honestly the only way to like truly grow into the long form nowadays. And then shift towards first data as privacy laws tighten. So the AI, ChatGPT, the chatbots, you had ManyChat coming out, and being able to have this conditional logic in general with lead gen forms is really essential as well. And that brings me to a quick shout out to Go High Level. Go High Level is a CRM that I use, I teach on as well. I think it's a perfect solution for any business owner who's looking to have an all-in-one solution that provides automation, business processes together, so that you can walk into a networking event, walk to a trade show, capture a lead, be able to have it go through a particular process, whether it's email respondents, getting them to schedule an appointment so that you can meet later down the road, then afterwards an email follow-up, so that a lot of those things that you would be hiring a secretary to do, you have it done automatically and continuing to follow through on a daily basis. And I have a course that I'm going to be dropping in about a month that actually explains how to do all of those things. And joining that course actually invites you to a community that I'm building as well too, where it's going to be what business owners alike that can bond together and learn from each other and grow businesses based off of process and automation and the use of Go High Level and all of its features that it has. You know, if you go to a trade show, having a QR business scan card is going to be essential because you can walk around, have those conversations. For example, I train also on Salesforce and Pardot, and that's particularly at my company at Microban. And I was just recently at a trade show in Vegas. I don't know if any of you guys have been to the SHOT Show, but while I was there, we utilized one of these. It was an external scan card service called Visiony, which we have to have integrated in Salesforce. That's why I'm pushing for Go High Level, because of its integrated capabilities. You know, we have to pay an outside cost for Visiony in order to have it integrated into Salesforce, but it was very easy for us to go around, talk to people. The people that were interested, they're like, here's a business card. We didn't have to sit there and have those conversations like, oh, let me put it in your phone. It was just, once the conversation was over, it was like, hey, we'll send you a text and get everything done. Walked away. I looked at the business scan card, scanned it. It synced right into Salesforce. So I was able to sign it to lead the salesperson. And then they're on their merry way when it comes to starting a conversation regarding the emails and then getting an appointment set up for a potential sale. So keep that in mind. If you guys are interested, make sure to sign up for, the affiliate link down below with the 14-day free trial. And if that means you're going to be connected to the hip, we'll be able to have multiple free consultations to help you guys get set up, as well as I'll provide you guys with a discount to my course, which provides you with everything you need to launch a business utilizing Go High Level and a couple other sources like ChatGPT, the different types of tips and tricks that you can utilize to generate content, as well as, content when it comes to text, media, and so on and so forth. So get in while the deal is hot. Excited for that. Data insights, so looking at it from, 1994 till now, the first banner ad had a 44% click-through rate compared to today, 0.1% on average. And then now in 2025, digital ad spending is projected to reach 800 billion globally. That number is probably even more. And 90% of businesses now use social media for marketing. So keep that in mind, guys. It's going to be very, very essential. You see how the comparison is, where the money's at. If you're not using digital ads, you're missing out on a ton of money. And just because you did digital ads in the past and it didn't work doesn't mean it won't work this time. You just have to have a plan, a strategy, and know how you're spending your money. So, conclusion and future outlook. From banner ads to AI-powered marketing, digital marketing has evolved rapidly. The next decade would have redefined how businesses connect with customers. I've noticed that, even just from doing advertising with LinkedIn ads or Facebook ads, people tend to rather want to stay on the app and not be sent to a landing page. So LinkedIn or Facebook ad forms is essential to getting people to submit a contact form. And just think about those things as you're advertising. It's how people are interacting with social media that you want to pay attention to, rather than the overall landing pages to the degree. And drop a comment, guys. What do you think the future of digital marketing will look like? I'm really excited to hear what you think, and I'm excited to be posting more videos like this. Once again, fill links down below if you're looking for 14-day free trial and you want consultation from me to help you guys launch your business and get started. If you're looking for one-on-one help in general, feel free to sign up below for a one-on-one consultation link. And then also, we're going to be dropping a course soon on launching your business, from registering it to your state all the way down to walking into a networking event and being able to capture leads, being able to have the purchase pages or invoicing or contracts, etc. on there, so that you're able to, the ease of sale is simple, and you have to work on just simply putting yourself in front of as many people as possible in order to manage and operate your business. So looking forward to the next video. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you. And until next time.